Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan, and this, like most of our vehicles, is a mobility and wheelchair accessible van. I'll get right to the conversion. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door. I can operate the entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. Got a handle on the side, a driver's side, handle on the passenger side. I'm going to take this down with just 1 finger. Very easy to do. The ramp is 34 inches wide, which is nice. The side entries are generally only 30 inches wide, so this gives you a few more inches. It does taper down to 32 inches there at the base where the ramp sets. It's got 8 tie down points, 2 in the rear, 4 in the center, 2 all the way up front, so it can hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. Has your spare tire there. Between those front seats there's about 21 inches of room. Passengers' legs can sit right in between those. We can also modify those seats. We can take them out. We can put flip seats in there. So tell us what you need. Tell us what measurements you need. We'll come up with a plan and a program to make this van meet your needs. Has the steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. It's got the auxiliary port. You can hook this up to your phone. Dual climate control, rear air controls. Plenty of plug-ins, plenty of cup holders. Headliner's in great shape. You can see the rear air controls there as well. When you've got all your passengers secure, come back out, grab the ramp, look, 1 finger. And we do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van. So this does come with a free set of ratcheting tie downs. Close everything back up. Very easy to do, very little to go wrong. Very nice van. It's got a few miles on it, 69,000, tinted windows, steel wheels, a whole lot of tread left on these tires. They darn near look brand new. And I'm not going to say this van is perfect, but boy, this thing is super clean. I'm going to guess most all these miles must have been highway miles. I'm having trouble finding a chip or dent on this thing. Very clean van. Whoever had this van took really good care of it. And as a car guy, I can certainly appreciate that. The roof is nice and clean as well. These rear seats look like they've hardly ever been sat in. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. There's the VIN number. We always show you the VIN number in the videos. Has the power seat. Little tiny crack there in the seat. That's why we make these videos. This kind of detail does not show up in the pictures. So those guys out there just taking pictures, tell them to get out and make a video. You want to see all the detail of the vehicle you're about to purchase. Vehicle of mile 69,471. We've got 2 keys. Every time I go to fire it up first time every time. No ABS light, no check engine light, none of that. The rest of the interior of the vehicle is very clean. Air conditioner works great. Thank God, because it is hot today. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, it has a 3.6 V6 engine. Very clean, it idles smoothly. This fan has been professionally detailed, no signs of any leaks, no signs of any damage. We check these vehicles out very thorough before we buy them. As I crawl down on the ground to get underneath the vehicle. Very clean, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. You know, we check these for, that's the air conditioner dripping there, of course. So, overall clean vehicle inside and out. And that's why we make these videos. I want you to see exactly what you're getting. I know a lot of people are going to ask you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 looking at some pictures. That's the #1 mistake people make when buying a vehicle. They assume things. They assume because the pictures were nice. They assume because the salesperson was nice to them on the phone. They assume that the vehicle is in good condition, that it runs and drives good. I can tell you right now, do not assume things. Tell them to get off their behind. Tell them to get out and make you a detailed video like this. I'm out crawling on the ground. It's 102 degrees out. I'm sure that ground's every bit of 150 degrees. I'm doing that because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. So, with that being said, let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive, get them out on the highway so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift. And you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states, or you come in and drive this van home, that we've done our due diligence, we've made the video, you know this van is roadworthy. Accelerates nicely, shifts well, gets up to about 70 miles an hour, no problems. I've got the cruise control set about 65. Runs and drives straight down the highway, no vibration. I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. The first thing you need to ask yourself is, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Also, be sure to look at their Google ratings. Check us out on Google, see all the nice things people had to say about us. You know, if you're going to do business with a company that doesn't have a very good reputation, or that has very little feedback, you're taking a huge risk. There's a very good chance you're going to be on the wrong end of that stick. And buying a vehicle, as you know, is a big enough of pain. Don't go buying from a dealer with a shady reputation or not a good reputation. You're going to have a lot of issues, I can promise you that. The next thing is, I want to ask you, do they have any hidden document fees, tag fees, administrative fees? Everything you see here, what you see is what you get. We do not try and hide money. A lot of these people have a real nice price online, and then you throw in a $500 or $1,000 administrative fee or document fee. Then you got to throw in shipping and all that stuff. You know, if they're hiding money from you as far as fees, what else are they hiding from you? The van brakes solid as I come down the ramp here. No shakes, no squeaks, no unusual vibration. Very clean van, and I believe if it's taken care of, it should make a great van for you, your family, or your company for many years to last. Also has darn near full tank of gas. And when I go back to comparing us to the competition, I'm out here making these videos. These videos are what sell the vans, our price, our reputation. I'm not going to sit here and try and beg you to buy a van. I've got too much to do. I don't have time for that. We're very low pressure sales. If you want to buy the van, here it is. And if not, I respect your decision. But when you compare us, our videos, I'm out there, I'm the owner, which brings me to my next point. I'm not some used car dealer, used car salesman that's going to tell you whatever you want to hear. Most of those salesmen, they won't even be working there, you know, in a month or two. They'll be on to their next sales job and on to the next and on to the next. Do you think they care if you get a good deal? Do you think they care if you're treated honest and treated fair? No, they just care about that commission check. That's all they care about. I'm the owner of this company. I'll be here 5 years from now. I'll be here 10 years from now. I want you telling your friends and family and neighbors good things about us. I want your repeat business, our reputation, and what you think, and making sure that we're honest and fair as we possibly can. That matters to me. That's the difference between doing business with an owner and doing business with a used car salesman. There's a huge difference. So if you ever want to see our inventory, please check us out 24 hours a day online at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. If you ever want to schedule an appointment to see a van, please give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. If you're more of a text messenger, you now have my cell phone number, 316-518-4377. Try getting the owner's cell phone number for one of those big conglomerate companies. Try even getting the general manager's phone number. Yeah, good luck. We do have financing available. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.